Morning people, how are we all doing today? I say morning, it might not be morning, I'm not sure what time of day you're viewing this, probably about 6-7 o'clock in the afternoon if we're going by my analytics, but there we go. So yeah, we are on a day in the life type video today. We've got two jobs to do. The first one I've got to go over, there's a lady who called me, she's actually a customer, I say a lady who called me. And basically every time she has a boiler service they have to dismantle the kitchen unit and they charge her for it and then they put it back together again. So she called me up the other day and she said, is there anything we can do to make it more accessible for them? So what I'm going to do is take the bottom of the cupboard out completely, or it's gone now anyway to be honest, because the heating engineers didn't put it back together. So we're going to hinge the door in a way so that it doesn't need the rest of the cupboard, if that makes sense. I'll explain properly when I'm over there and show you what I'm going to do. And then the second job we've got to go over to, so there's another customer of mine, it's actually my plasterer who's doing the job. So she's having a bathroom renovation, it's being plastered, and they've decided they wanted to do most of the work themselves. They've taken the door lining out and they can't figure out how to get it back in. So we're going to go over, we're going to fit the door lining, hang the door, maybe architraves, I'm not sure yet. So we'll find out more when we get there. I haven't actually visited the job yet, I just priced it over the phone. So it's through my plasterer, so he's pretty good at explaining stuff. So yeah, there we go guys, that's what we're up to today. I will take you guys for a little drive and I'll see you when we get there. We do need to get diesel, my diesel light is on, so diesel is going to be a priority for this morning, so let's get over there. There we have it guys, we are here. Just this little house on my right hand side here. So let me go in, get myself all set up, and then I'll come back and grab yous lot. Okay, so I'll just show you what we're doing here. So basically they don't want a bottom in this cupboard, so I'm going to put a frame down this side and hang the door off of that. So visually it'll look the same, but there won't be nothing to dismantle on the bottom of it. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, so you guys have just seen me fix this filler and this bit of timber back on, and then what I've got here is the side of the unit going down there, but they're moaning about spacing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip 100mm off of this and put that in there, so we've got something to hang the door off of, and then that gives them full access right the way around it, and they can just unscrew this bit if they need to, but they shouldn't need to, and there's nothing up there, so it should be fine. I should have full access to the boiler. So yeah, I'm going to get this ripped down, this fixed back on, and we can get the door back on, and then we'll sort this cornice out, and I might adjust some of these doors for a while here because they're a little bit wonky. Okay guys, so that's that first job all done. Didn't take too long, about an hour, with getting all the tools in and out of the van and all that. So that's pretty good. She's well happy with the fact that I adjusted up them other doors for her. So just goes, you know, a couple of minutes adjusting some doors goes a long way, doesn't it? So that's all good. We still haven't got diesel yet. I need to sort that out. So I'm going to go and find some diesel now before we go over to our next job. So yeah, we're doing well. Okay guys, so we're over at the job now. Now they have asked if I don't film inside, which is fair enough, but what I can do is show you guys me doing the cutting outside, so we'll do that now. Because basically what the door lining opening is 175mm and the door lining ain't that big, but he's bought 2 door linings, so what I'm going to do is rip one down, plant it on the side of the other one to make it wide enough, and then we'll put it on. Now they haven't got architrave yet, so I can't fit the architrave basically, but I can hang the door, get the door lining in, and then what I'll do is after I've done all of that, I'll post a little picture up of what it looks like for you guys to show you that. But yeah, like I said, we'll do the ripping down outside and all that now, and then I'll go in and fit it. Okay guys, so that's the frame all made, and you saw that I hinged the door and I've hinged the frame. Normally I'd do that inside the house, but the reason why I've done them outside is just purely to give you guys a bit more footage because we can't record inside. But theoretically, now we should just be able to throw this lining in. So throw it in, put it in, make sure it's all squared and levelled up. I can't show you guys that unfortunately because we can't film in there. But I'll come back to you guys in a second once I've got it all in. Okay guys, so that's today all done. I think that come out really well, done all right today. So nice little easy one for Poets Day, and if you know what Poets Day is, stick it down in the comments for me. But yeah, they're all done, they're all happy, so that's all good. I'll put a picture up of the finished door and frame now. Now bear in mind there's no architrave on that at the minute because they haven't decided what they're doing with architrave, so I've got more work to do there, so we will be going back to do that at a later date. But yeah, tonight I'm going to be doing a live, but you guys would have seen that already, so if you have, thank you for watching. It is Friday the 23rd of August, so yeah, if you watch that, let me know down below, even though, you know, we would have had a chat on the live anyway. But yeah guys, I'm going to call that one there. If you want to get some more exclusive content, hit the join button next to the like button and you'll get more exclusive content. But don't worry, all the normal content will carry on as normal. If you want to see more videos like this or tutorials or anything, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to do a video every week. It's not every week, but you know, we're getting about 3 a month, put it that way, plus shorts and everything else, so you know, there's plenty of content to be watched. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, you'll be up to date with all the content. But yeah guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.